Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and welcome back to another episode of Key Machine Battle. Now today we're going to be putting up a semi-automatic machine. In this case it's the Speed 044 against a automatic machine. In this case it's the Speed 040. Now I have 5 keys set out on each machine. We're going to be cutting the SC1 key. And today I have Amber, thanks for coming on, and Brian. Thanks for coming on, Brian. Yep, it's been a few episodes since you've been back, so thanks for coming back on. And guys, so I guess is what we'll do is let's go ahead and cut the 5 keys of each, and then we'll see the speed difference. We'll kind of talk about which machine you guys think is easier to use, and is an automatic machine all it's cracked up to be.
All right.
All right, guys, thanks. Go ahead and we'll start cutting keys. Alright guys, so we got done cutting the keys. Amber, obviously you cut them much quicker. As a matter of fact, you left the little studio here for a moment because you had a job, right?
Yeah.
But perfect. Guys, so what do you think? I'll start with you, Amber.
This one I definitely think for the more skilled person, it's going to be their fastest.
Okay.
Because, I mean, definitely it's not the automatic, it's easy to go do. You still have a lot to do, but I definitely think for a little more advanced skill, it's like the fastest to go.
Okay.
Because it just runs through and you don't have much to accurately go with the keys, so it's kind of just zoom.
Sure. Brian, what do you think about the automatic here?
I like it. Would I use it every day for 30, 40 keys on a job site? Probably not.
Okay.
But in the same aspect, it would come in handy. Say you got 15, 20 locks and 20, 30 keys to cut. Once I got my one cylinder and I know it's keyed right, I can use this. And and start cutting keys, and then just swap keys out, and it's automatically going, so I can keep keying up cylinders.
Okay, so you're saying like an advantage of an automatic machine would be that you could be working on
two different things. Yep.
Right, cutting keys while you're rekeying locks.
When you're cutting with this, you gotta your full focus is cutting keys.
Sure. Okay.
So usually you key up all your locks.
Okay. Yeah.
And
That's
you
a
get
great
all done,
point.
and then you gotta cut all your keys and make sure the keys work on all your locks.
Okay.
And stuff.
Yeah, that's a great point. It's kind of like a multitask type machine. Now, as far as skill goes, like if you were going to teach someone how to cut keys today, what machine do you think they would pick up faster and you'd be more comfortable with them using out of these?
Well, probably in the long run, I think they're both going to be about the same. It's just getting used to different, because it doesn't want to move, so you got to have it locked in position. Now it moves, so it's just that maybe 3 or 4 uses you're going to remember it.
Yeah.
So
the same here. The steps it takes is just it's kind of the same because this one's very easy to go, and then so is that one.
Yeah.
But I think it's just the steps it takes to get it done, and then the key goes.
Okay. Now, how would you guys put, a semi-automatic and an automatic machine up against just like your entry-level manual key machine?
I would say this one's 10 times better.
This is
Yeah.
the semi-automatic.
Yeah, this
You agree?
this would be the way to go if you're doing a couple hundred keys an average a week, or 200 keys, car keys.
Okay.
I mean, if you're working 24/7 like I do, you're working all around. You never know what you're doing and what keys you're doing.
Sure. Okay.
So you're going from auto to residential, back and forth.
Okay.
So
you guys are saying that the extra money invested into a semi-automatic or a manual to you guys is worth it.
Definitely.
yeah, I'd trade this in right now for that Silca that I'm using.
Yeah. Well, hey, and then, maybe after this I'll cut you a deal.
That'll work.
Perfect, guys. Well, hey, thank you for coming on,
Yeah.
and we'll see you next time.